So I have a bit of a suggestion, a feature request if you like. It's about how a user would interact and the workflow for basically adding documents to a learning module in Blackboard Ultra. So my problem is I've got some test stuff going on here. So I've got like this learning module called test, and then I've got a folder inside that, and I've got some just sample documents to sort of showcase it. Obviously what you normally are encouraged to do as part of the workflow is to add documents using a plus button, create, document, and I'm talking mainly about documents in this video, although other content types might be useful. But if I want to create a document, obviously I have to sort of click into there, don't I, and then it sort of kicks this off and I give it a title, etc. If I just come out of there and just delete that. If I've already got some created and I'm working within these documents, I've got some sample ones, as I say here. You can see there's a table of contents with a list of documents. I think it'd be really useful to be able to remove documents, delete them from this screen, and create new ones. So I don't know whether we could have some options at the just below, kind of at the very bottom of this sidebar on the left, where you can sort of add document, remove document. Being able to also reorder these with just a drag and drop would be really handy, and potentially just retitle them. I know you can click in here and retitle on the document itself, but it'd be useful to have those features I've just mentioned within this sidebar as options. Because if I want to, I'm adding these kind of pages in and I want to add a new one, I'm finding it a bit annoying actually. I know I can edit the content of an existing page, but I can't add another to the table of contents. What I'm finding I have to do is go out of here, and then it's like back to here. I've got to find, right, where was I again? Somewhere in here. And I have to find the purple thing. I'm going to add one in, let's say in between these, create document, or give it a title. Can't see anything yet, blah blah blah. Save, let me at it. Now I can see it, now I can edit stuff. That feels very laborious if you're working to create a lot of content in table of contents, which we are. So just being able to have those features from within the table of content view for a moderator, instructor would be really handy.